Come out here out to Moreton Bay. Pretty grey old day as you can see, but there's not a lot of wind, so it's a pretty good day to really go through how we work these lures and the different styles and techniques that we use to get some of these fish that you've been watching. Just wind in. What we're going to do, I'm going to teach you how to throw our 17 gram vibe, that one in the Pearl AU, and through how we actually work these lures. All you need to do, throw it out. Okay, watching your line, making sure your lure sits on the bottom. Right, line's gone slack, lure's on the bottom. What I'm going to do is tighten up just so I can feel it. And all you need to do is a slow lift to your rod tip. Let it back down, let it sit. Slow lift to your rod tip. What I'm doing then is winding down on the slack. I've got constant tension with that line the whole time. That's that, once again, lift, and you'll feel that lure really vibrating up through the water column. Generally then what you'll find, especially with your snapper, as that's falling back down to the bottom, on the pause, a lot of the time you go to lift up again, bang, you've got the fish on. So, go through again, on the bottom, just get that lure vibrating up. I don't like to do really hard lifts. I find the slower the better. Not too aggressive, just put it in their face. A lot of times they're going to sit there, look at it, they'll come over when it vibrates, and then usually as it's falling, they think something's wrong here, they hit it, and then you're on. So that's one of the techniques that we use for the 17 gram vibe. Jeez, he went real hard for a little fish.
Didn't he what? There you go. Shad's vibe hanging out of his mouth there. Perfectly pin hooked like they normally are. There you go. Beautiful little Jewy. You can see a little Shad's vibe there. Perfectly pin hooked. There he is. Little Jew.
Beautiful little Jewy. Just after that snapper that we just caught. It won't take too long. Throw him out, knock him down. Just marked up fish on the sounder there now. Yep, got him, mate. Yep. Another Jewy. Hooks on these shads always seem to pin them.
Yeah, another little Jew. That's it. Back that drag off. And show us what he looks like, eh? Comfort lifting, yeah.
That's it. There you go, another little Jewy.
Beautiful colours on that, isn't it?
That was a small snapper, 2 Jewies in half a dozen casts.
Just pin hooked.
Oh, Shane with persistence has hooked his Jewy. Just that sky's fallen, that sun's fallen.
Where is he?
Surface Jewy.
Surface Jewy, look at him.
There is a stack of these little things at the moment.
That's alright. Take them, won't we?
Of course, take them.
Every day of the week. It's 3 different colours.
What's this one? Pearl AU, is it?
Pearl AU. Look at that. Just pin hooked like they normally are.
Right in the corner of the mouth.
Don't really care, he's only just pin hooked, but only got light leader on him. Just got to base that drag off a little bit. He's a bit green still, that fish. That's a bit of fun. Here we go.
Not that time.
There we go. Another Jewy.
Look at the colours. What an amazing fish they are.
That one's on the Pearl AU. Alright, getting back in the water. Silly fella. The best thing about these things, you've got to make sure they can swim off of it.
Just spear him straight down, mate.
Ready? There he goes. Get that water going through their gills. Oh, that's awesome.
Shad's vibes. Awesome. Let's go.
How's those Shad's vibes going, Brendo?
Great,
Mate, they good?
yeah, they're perfect.
Oh, Dewey.
Oh, you're joking.
You are.
Cracking Dewey on the Shad's vibe. Beautiful. Nate's hooked up. Good fish, Nate.
Bumped it a couple of times. I let him really get it down, and now he's powered off.
Definitely a Dewey.
Yeah, I think it is.
I think it is. Beautiful Brisbane River Dewey
The result.
on the Shad's vibe.
Right,
Very
down
nice.
on the corner of the lip there. Perfect hook up. Let's get a photo and get him back.